In the past 7 months, Terra Classic showcased an active downtrend, an active bearish. This might continue till the next 2 or 3 months. In the past 7 months, that is starting from December 2022 till date, Terra Classic have showcased an active downtrend and active bearish in the market, which might continue till the next 2 or 3 months. Wow. Luna before then was actually gaining over 500% increase in price. Okay, 500% bump. Right now, as at the time of recording this, Luna is about 300+%. That means almost 200% have actually dropped out since the past 7 months, which is definitely not a good one for Terra Classic. Now, with so many indicators still showing that Luna is almost hitting down, I believe this might be time for Terra Classic to start rising up again. So I hope to see Luna revive, start pumping, start rising. I hope to see all the indicators, showing a strong revival, showing a strong bullish, showing a strong U-turn. You can see from the Japanese candlestick, from relative strength index, from stochastic oscillator, from moving average, zigzag, and even other indicators are all confirming a strong bearish for the past 7 months and also showing a turnaround. They are all showing that the Terra Classic might start now to rise back. It actually hit the point of oversold. Lunar indicators are showing in the long time the point of oversold, which you all know in trading in. If you're a trader or you're good in analyzing trading, you will know when a particular coin or price or market hits the point oversold. Definitely there's a possibility that the market will start rising. There's a possibility that the market will start pumping. So we are hoping that this possibility will definitely start very soon, and I want to see Terra Classic trend start. I want to see the bullish trend start. I want to see the green candlestick. I want to see the green candlestick on Terra Classic. I want to see this candlestick on a weekly, on a daily, and on the monthly candlestick. I want to see green. I believe from now to the end of the year, we might be happy, smiling to the bank. Once again, remember to subscribe. Thank you for stopping by.